is really hard work. You might not get a day off in weeks. When I knew that I needed to build a bulletproof buggy, I knew that I had to call in the experts, Al and Andrew.
Al, you got any ideas?
Yeah, got some ideas, I
Oh, my cheeks are hurting.
That's about a 14-metre difference.
Lock her on. Oh, look at that.
If you're as good as that in the kitchen, you are American material.
Get back to work. With all the work that Terrain Tamer's doing, I'm really hoping that this buggy will be as strong as it possibly can. I love working in the outback. You get the freedom, the peace and quiet. When you're out there on your own, you're checking waters on your own, it's so serene. You kind of get everything that you don't really get in the city. I would never want to be anywhere else. What are you doing under there? Aren't we supposed to be working on the BJ70?
Oh, yeah, we've done plenty of work on that so far. No, I'm just sussing out what we need to do. We're going to put a set of parabolic springs under your ute.
Well, yeah, do you do a bit of variable load towing? Like,
Oh, yeah. It's either nothing or everything.
So you're going to be towing this buggy around. That's the reason why we're putting these springs on. They'll be ideal for your sort of operation. How often do you tow in a year? So
Probably 5 or 6 months of the year.
yeah, right, okay. So that sounds ideal to me.
These parabolic springs are a well-proven concept. They've been around a long time in trucks.
I have heard of them, but what exactly are they?
Well, interleaf friction, there's only 3 leaves and they're insulated from each other. So there's no interleaf friction, so it's a better ride. They're quieter, lighter, more ground clearance, and they're easier on the ground, in my opinion, because they're not so stiff to actually move if you happen to drop your foot off the clutch or you decelerate, accelerate. So we're going to do a test for this vehicle to see how it rides now, and then we'll put these parabolics on, and we'll do another test and see how they go.
What's all this business?
Hey.
You're not going to have a bath in that, are you?
No, you're the only one.
Come out dirtier.
You're the only one that runs a bath around here. Look, in the absence of something to test the suspension, this is one of the things that we're going to use. So we're going to put that in there, and I'm going to sit in there, and we're going to measure how much water space is out between here and up the road.
Are you sure that's
Are you
a
going
good
to hang on
idea?
to that?
Yeah, I'm going to hang on to it. As long as you're not driving.
I got to see this. I'll even help you lift it in for you.
First time you've helped me today. What's going on?
I thought the older you got, the wiser you were supposed to become. Anyway, once Uncle Al's got an idea in his head, there's no changing it.
This is probably the funniest thing I've ever seen.
You ever looked in a mirror?
So what speed am I supposed to be going during this?
You haven't got a choice. 30 kilometres an hour. Don't you go burning down the road like you normally do. Okay, we're right to go. What do they say? Action. I've been hearing that in this here all day long.
This day just keeps getting better.
Now, if the suspension's good, there'll be a little bit of water out here. If the suspension's bad, I won't even be here. I'll be full out.
You ready to go, Al?
I've been ready since Thursday.
Hold on to your false teeth.
Oh, I forgot about them. Oh, strike me pink.
We'll try and bring you back in at least one piece.
I don't know if it's such a good idea or not.
He looks happy. I mean, not that I can see his face, but he looks happy.
Mum, help.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going 30 Ks.
This is 30, I need to see 40. Strike me pink.
Still back there?
Could have got some clean water.
Oh, I felt so bad with Al in the back of the ute for the suspension test. I don't know how he convinced me into doing that because I really did not want to.
Give us some soap and a towel.
I think there's some sort of whining in the car. I just can't quite tell what it is.
Is it the diff?
I've wet everything.
Hold on, Al.
Oh,
Yeah, hang on, mate.
far more effective than a turkey out of that.
Oh, my cheeks are hurting. I'm gonna need Botox for my wrinkles.
I know how to wash me.
We didn't hear that. Keep going.
Your face are full of water. What left to do?
Oh, Al.
Maybe I was wrong yesterday. Maybe this is an even better day at work.
I
Are
can't.
you right back there?
I can't.
How
Well,
are you going?
I've lost my teeth and
What?
my glasses.
I told you to hold on to your false teeth.
I can't. I can't. I can't see them. I can see me glasses.
I can't believe Al lost his teeth and his glasses while doing the suspension test.
Pete, I mean, you got to be joking. The water was up here. I mean, I saw my glasses up here, like, you know.
Everyone's gonna hate us so much now. Poor old Al.
Whose idea was this anyway?
Oh, this is your idea.
Sure, this was your idea.
Well, I don't know. I've looked at my teeth in some odd places. They wrapped them up in Christmas paper once and threw them out. Oh. Ah!
Something bit me. Who says?
Now I might be able to see my teeth.
Everyone thought it was in the bucket, but it ended up being in his overalls.
Need to wash them out. Oh, yuck. Oh. Embarrassing.
At least they weren't in that bucket.
I don't know what I'm doing. I wet my pants out.
Top of the tape to the top of the tape. We've lost one pair of dentures and 125 mils of water.
A bit lighter, maybe 15, 20.
We fit the bushes into the new parabolic springs, and then the U-bolts need to be shortened. This is because the parabolics have less leaves in the spring pack, which gives them a lower profile than traditional spring setups. We throw the wheels back on and it's time for a comparison test. Will Al's teeth stay in with the parabolic springs?
Pinnacle of my career, sitting in the back of a truck with dirty, slimy water splashing along me. Who else would want to be?
Whose suggestion was it, Al?
Oh, it was mine, I suppose.
Yeah, exactly.
I think this should be one of your career highlights. I mean, it's one of mine.
Let's go, people, let's go!
Launch this battleship.
Oh, poor Al. What are we doing to him? We should never agree to his crazy schemes.
Yeah, but this one's actually fun.
For us.
For us, yeah. Hey, Alan, how's the ride?
Actually feels a lot smoother.
It does, actually.
Yeah.
Hey, Alan.
I can't talk, I'll lose my teeth.
See, this is dedication to quality testing.
It is.
That's what
It
this
is. Oh, this is the rough bit.
There we go. That was beautiful for us. That was very soothing.
It's a lot better. I tell you, it's a lot better.
Yeah, Alan's still there.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
I think if you want steak tonight, we'll let him have steak.
Yeah.
He's worked hard for it. How'd you get on back there?
You got your teeth.
I got my teeth in, so it's got to be better.
How'd that feel?
I tell you, fantastic. I'm not kidding you. You couldn't ride in the back of this before, but you could now.
Well, it felt smoother for us, but it's obviously a lot rougher for you on the back.
Yeah, right.
Wow. That's a massive difference.
So total loss was, 120 mil. It was exactly 50% less. So there you go.
No,
Quite dramatic.
The ride gives me torch back. I know how you cut all your tools now.
You might lose it.
Yeah, I won't lose it. I'm not, if I do hang around with you guys too long, I will.
Coming up on the next episode,
Tell me why we need some suspension on this.
The suspension gets an absolute beating.
I would think the suspension has got to be number one.
It's the wrong size bloody socket. That's what it is.
Last time I listened to my elders.
I work different to some of these guys, but that's understandable.
So aside from ride quality suspension components are quite essential from a safety point of view as well.